Welcome to JM Learning Academy. English spoken. 30 vocabulary and 30 sentences. Topic 2. Post and position. Part 1. P R E S I D E N T. President. President means Rashtrapati. V I C E P R E S I D E N T. Vice President. Vice President means Uprashtrapati. A double T O R N E Y G E N E R A L. Attorney General. Attorney General means Mahanyayavadi. C H I E F J U S T I C E. Chief Justice. Chief Justice means Mukhya Nyayadhish. C H I E F E L E C T I O N C O double M I double S I O N E R. Chief Election Commissioner. Chief Election Commissioner means Mukhya Chunav Ayukt. C H A I R M A N O F L A W C O double M I double S I O N. Chairman of Law Commission. Chairman of Law Commission means Vidhi Ayog का अध्यक्ष. G O V E R N O R O F R E S E R V E B A N K. Governor of Reserve Bank. Governor of Reserve Bank means Reserve Bank का governor. C H A I R M A N O F U P S C. Chairman of UPSC. Chairman of UPSC means UPSC का अध्यक्ष. C H A I R M A N O F N I T I A Y O G. Chairman of Niti Ayog. Chairman of Niti Ayog means Niti Ayog का अध्यक्ष. D I R E C T O R G E N E R A L O F B S F. Director General of BSF. Director General of BSF means BSF का महानिदेशक. C B I D I R E C T O R. CBI Director. CBI Director means CBI निदेशक. C H A I R M A N O F F I N A N C E C O double M I double S I O N. Chairman of Finance Commission. Chairman of Finance Commission means वित्त आयोग का अध्यक्ष. D E P U T Y C H A I R M A N O F R A J Y A S A B H A. Deputy Chairman of Rajya Sabha. Deputy Chairman of Rajya Sabha means राज्य सभा का उपसभापति. C H A I R M A N O F R A J Y A S A B H A. Chairman of Rajya Sabha. Chairman of Rajya Sabha means राज्य सभा का सभापति. S E C R E T A R Y O F R A J Y A S A B H A. Secretary of Rajya Sabha. Secretary of Rajya Sabha means राज्य सभा का सचिव. C H A I R M A N O F I S R O. Chairman of ISRO. Chairman of ISRO means ISRO का अध्यक्ष. C H A I R M A N O F S E B I. Chairman of SEBI. Chairman of SEBI means SEBI का अध्यक्ष. C H A I R M A N O F D R D O. Chairman of DRDO. Chairman of DRDO means DRDO का अध्यक्ष. C H A I R M A N O F C R P F. Chairman of CRPF. Chairman of CRPF means CRPF का अध्यक्ष. C H A I R M A N O F R P F. Chairman of RPF. Chairman of RPF means RPF का अध्यक्ष. P R I M E M I N I S T E R. Prime Minister. Prime Minister means प्रधानमंत्री. H O M E M I N I S T E R. Home Minister. Home Minister means गृह मंत्री. E D U C A T I O N M I N I S T E R. Education Minister. Education Minister means शिक्षा मंत्री. F I N A N C E M Finance Minister. Finance Minister means वित्त मंत्री. RESOURCEMINISTER. Resource Minister. Resource Minister means संसाधन मंत्री. RAILWAYMINISTER. Railway Minister. Railway Minister means रेल मंत्री. CULTUREMINISTER. Culture Minister. Culture Minister means संस्कृति मंत्री. SPORTSMINISTER. Sports Minister. Sports Minister means खेल मंत्री. FOREIGNMINISTER. Foreign Minister. Foreign Minister means विदेश मंत्री. DEFENSEMINISTER. Defense Minister. Defense Minister means रक्षा मंत्री. वे राष्ट्रपति हैं. She is a president. वे उपराष्ट्रपति हैं. He is a vice president. वे एक महान्यायवादी हैं. He is an attorney general. आप एक मुख्य न्यायाधीश थे. You were a chief justice. वे एक मुख्य चुनाव आयुक्त थे. He was a chief election commissioner. वे रिजर्व बैंक के गवर्नर हैं. He is the governor of Reserve Bank. मैं यूपीएससी का अध्यक्ष हूँ. I am the chairman of UPSC. वे नीति आयोग के अध्यक्ष हैं. He is the chairman of नीति आयोग. आप BSF के महानिदेशक थे. You were the director general of BSF. आप विधि आयोग के अध्यक्ष हैं. You are the chairman of Law Commission. मैं एक CBI निदेशक था. I was a CBI director. वे वित्त आयोग के अध्यक्ष थे. He was the chairman of Finance Commission. आप राज्यसभा के उपसभापति थे. You were the deputy chairman of राज्यसभा. मैं राज्यसभा का सभापति हूँ. I am the chairman of राज्यसभा. वह राज्यसभा का सचिव है. He is the secretary of राज्यसभा. आप इसरो के अध्यक्ष हैं. You are the chairman of ISRO. वह सेबी का अध्यक्ष है. She is the chairman of SEBI. आप DRDO के अध्यक्ष थे. You were the chairman of DRDO. मैं CRPF का अध्यक्ष था. I was the chairman of CRPF. वे RPF के अध्यक्ष हैं. He is the chairman of RPF. आप गृह मंत्री थे. You were a home minister. वे शिक्षा मंत्री थे. He was an education minister. वह वित्त मंत्री है. She is a finance minister. आप एक संसाधन मंत्री हैं. You are a resource minister. वे एक रेल मंत्री हैं. He is a railway minister. आप प्रधानमंत्री बनेंगे. You will become the prime minister. वह संस्कृति मंत्री बनेगा. He will become the culture minister. तुम एक खेल मंत्री बनोगे. You will become a sports minister. वह विदेश मंत्री बनेगी. She will become the foreign minister. मैं रक्षा मंत्री बनूंगा. I shall become the defense minister. Thanks for watching. And upcoming video, Post and Position, Part 2.